guys, Candida here, and I was so excited to get my LG StanbyMe. I've always wanted a TV that I can take with me. This not only can I use this as a TV, but I can use it as an extra monitor when I'm working from home. So as you can see here, I've got it landscape and I've got the apps. And so by touch screen, I can turn. I've got my different apps. I can go into the web browser. I can mirror. I can look at media. So I can add different apps. What I really like about this is I can turn it. So if I need a horizontal view, I can do that as well. And so here I can still scroll with the hand. Not only can I use my hands, but it comes with a remote. And so I am able to do the volume. I can use the different apps. So if my hands are dirty when I'm cooking and I'm watching a video on how to cook because I'm not the best cook, I can use the remote. I work from home and my favorite place to work is outside. And sometimes in the summer, I wish I had a TV outside. Now that I can use this and go to my apps and watch my favorite shows, I can do it from anywhere. Today, I've been in the kitchen baking, and I must say, it's my favorite time of year to go in there and whip up some cookies, but passing the time by having something playing in the background made it even better. So I love the fact that it's versatile and the fact that I can use it in my day-to-day life, but when I've got to get to work, I can use it as a monitor as well. Super excited over this, and I love the fact that it's on wheels and it can go with me. So I hope you found the review helpful.